Hello children, welcome back to the class children. Now, after doing addition of the values given in terms of length, that is meter, centimeter, kilometers, it's time to go ahead with the statement sums. What if the conditions are given in the form of a story? How to solve those questions? So for that I have taken some questions from your book exercise. Reading the first question and let's check out what it says. Mr. Goyal travelled 676 km by train. So Mr. Goyal is having a travel, and how much he travelled? He travelled 676 km by train, 47 km and 502 meters by scooter, and 890 meters by cycle. What was the total distance covered by him? What we have to find, since he covered the distance by three different transport medium, train, scooter and cycle, we have to find what is the total distance covered by him. So making the statements here, since it is a statement problem, so we have to make its statement. Very first, distance covered by train. How much distance is covered by train? The distance covered by train is 676 km. Secondly, distance covered by scooter. How much he covered by scooter? He covered 47 km and 502 meters. After that, distance covered by cycle. So how much distance he covered by cycle? 890 meters only, not kilometers, only meters. What we have to find is the total distance covered by him. So to find the total distance covered by him, what we have to do? We have to add the given values. So let us add kilometer, meter. Writing the first value, 676 kilometers. Since there is no values in meter, we will write 3 of the zeros. After that, 47 kilometer and 502 meters. Third value, which is distance covered by cycle, is only 890 meters. So here it is 00 kilometers. Now total distance means we need to add. So let us add here. So you will get 0 plus 2 is 2, 9 plus 0 plus 0, 9, 5 plus 8, 13, 1 carry over, 6 plus 7, 13 plus 1, 14, 1 carry over, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12, 1 carry over, 6 plus 1, 7. So your final answer is 724 kilometer and 392 meter. This is the total distance covered by him. So here we can write the total distance covered is equals to, what is the total distance? 724 kilometer and 392 meters. Okay children, I hope you have understood how to write the statements and how to add the terms. Coming to the second question, a plant was 55 centimeter when planted. So we have planted a plant and the length of the plant when it was being planted, that means it was a small sapling, it was only 55 centimeters. It has grown 1 meter and 11 centimeter. Now after some time, some days or week, when we have observed, it has increased its length by 1 meter and 11 centimeter. So how tall is the plant now? We have to find what is the actual height of the plant now. Earlier it was 55 centimeter and grown up by 1 meter and 11 centimeter. So what is the exact, or you can say the total height of the plant? So making the statements here once again. Very first, the old height of plant. What was the old height? Old height means when it was being planted, it was only 55 centimeter. After that, the height increased How much the height is increased? 1 meter and 11 centimeter. Now we have to find that final height of the plant. So for that we need to add. So let's add meter, centimeter. It was 55 centimeter only, so 0 meters. Then 1 meter and 11 centimeter. As you can see, I have arranged the value in its column form. Okay children, now let's add. Now let's add 5 plus 1, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 0 plus 1, 1. So what is the height of the plant now? The plant is 1 meter and 66 centimeter tall. So here the statement is the plant is 1 meter 66 centimeter tall. Okay children, so this is how we can solve any question related to measures in length in terms of story problem. I hope these two questions are clear to all of you. Kindly go through your book exercise and complete the rest of the questions in your notebook. Thank you for the lesson students. Have a great day.